What if a flying robot could inspect an entire farm in minutes, not just taking pictures, but detecting crop disease, water stress, poor growth, pest problems before farmers even notice them? This is the power of AI drones in agriculture. Managing large farms is difficult. Farmers often spend hours checking crop health, irrigation, pest damage, and sometimes problems are discovered too late. But AI drones are making farming faster, smarter, and more accurate. Small farming problems can quickly become major losses. A disease affecting one part of a field can spread rapidly. Without early detection, yields decrease, costs increase, crop damage worsens. In countries like Ethiopia, better crop monitoring can significantly improve productivity. AI farm drones are flying systems equipped with cameras, sensors, artificial intelligence software. They collect farm data from the sky and analyze crop conditions automatically. Using machine learning, drones can identify problems quickly and accurately. Step 1. Drone flight. The drone flies across the farm automatically. Step 2. Image collection. High-resolution cameras capture crop color, plant growth, soil condition. Step 3. AI analysis. AI scans images for disease signs, water stress, nutrient deficiency, pest damage. Step 4. Mapping the field. The system creates detailed farm maps showing problem areas. Step 5. Farmer alerts. Farmers receive reports and recommendations instantly. Traditional monitoring is slow, labor-intensive, and easy to miss problems. In contrast, AI drone monitoring is fast, accurate, and covers large areas quickly. Key benefits include 1. Early disease detection. Problems are identified before major damage occurs. 2. Water management. Drones detect dry areas needing irrigation. 3. Reduced costs. Farmers use fewer unnecessary inputs. 4. Better yield. Healthy crops lead to higher production. 5. Time saving. Large farms can be monitored rapidly. Modern drone systems connect directly to smartphones, farm management software, AI dashboards. Farmers can monitor fields remotely in real time. AI drones can help improve farming efficiency in developing regions. In places like Ethiopia, crop losses can decrease, monitoring becomes easier, farmers can make faster decisions. Some challenges include high equipment cost, battery limitations, technical training requirements. But drone technology is becoming more affordable every year. In the future, AI drones may operate fully automatically. Farms could be monitored daily without human effort. Drone spraying systems may become more common. This is the future of precision agriculture. AI drones are changing farming from the sky, making agriculture smarter, faster, and more efficient. Subscribe to AI Media, AI for more powerful AI farming innovations.